So, welcome to this demonstration on how to clean up data in Excel. What we have here is a name of a patient, date of birth of a patient, the three components of the GCS, weight and pupillary reaction. The first thing what we want to do is to break up the name into first and surname. So we want to have first name in one column, surname in another column. So first of all, we'll create a new column. So we will highlight that the B column and right click and click on insert. So we have now got a free new column just there. Then what we want to do is to select the column where we want to split the words and then go to data and then click on text to column, and on the text to column choose delimited, then click space because space is what you want to break it at, and you don't need to put the tab, you can take the tab out if you want, then next and then finish, and you will get the name broken down into two columns. So you can change this to first name and this one to surname. Okay, now the next thing that you want to do is to add this three components of the GCS into a column called GCS. So once again we highlight this column and then say insert. So now we have got a new column inserted. Then we say GCS and then we highlight a cell and then we press the equal sign and then go to the what's called the formula bar. In the formula bar, we want to write a formula to add these three components. So what we want to add is this this eye opening component that is in this cell. It's on D2. So you click on that. So it automatically adds you the D2. Then press plus. Then you go to the next component that you want to add. That is E2. So once again, you highlight it and click, and that adds E2. And then the third one is the motor component. Once again you highlight that cell and it automatically adds the reference to it is F2, and once you have done it you click on the enter or you click the right click, and what you get is a addition of the all three columns. Then if you want to do the same thing to the rest of the cells, what you do is to go to the right bottom, you will see a dot like that, and you double click on it and it automatically pastes the formula across. The next thing that we want to do is, at the moment you can see that our weight has two decimal places. We only want to have it one decimal place. So you highlight the data. So you go back to home. Okay. Make sure that you change this to numbers. Okay. Then if you look at this one, then it changes then it changes your decimal places, and now we have corrected that. And the last thing that we want to do is to add we want to put in this column, what we want to do is to have a composite GCS and the pupillary reaction. Let's say status on admission. So what we'll do is you highlight that. Once again you press the equal sign, you go to the formula bar, and then you say which cell do you want to add. So we want to add the G2, this one, and then what we want to do is to connect two cells, we have to add the ampersand sign, the and sign, and we want to put a comma. So we want to put a speech marks, comma, speech marks, another ampersand, and then click on the pupillary reaction. And once all that's done, you click on the green tick, and now you see that both columns, the data from the two columns have now been added. So 15 years. Once again, to go down, we just double click it and we go down. So I hope that you got an idea of how powerful Excel is in terms of kind of cleaning up or making the data more relevant to your analysis. Thank you.